My name is Sarah. I am 35 years old. For many years, my life was calm and peaceful. I had a loving husband and two wonderful children. Everything felt perfect. But one day, everything changed. I met my husband James when I was young. He was older than me. James was kind, smart, and caring. He had a good job and a nice home. He made me feel safe. We got married after I finished school. We had a big wedding. I wore a white dress, and James wore a black suit. Everyone was so happy. A few years later, we had two children. Our son Noah is now 10 years old, and our daughter Ella is 8. They are my pride and joy. James helped me learn about our family business. He always said, "Sarah, you must be prepared for anything." One day, James said he wasn't feeling well. "It's just my heart," he said. "I'll be fine." That evening, we had a big dinner with friends to celebrate a new business deal. James was laughing and smiling, but later he looked tired. His face turned red. "I feel hot," he said. That night, his heart stopped. I called for help, but it was too late. James was gone. I was heartbroken. For months, I couldn't get out of bed. Noah and Ella cried a lot. One day, Ella said, "Mom, please don't leave us too." Her words gave me strength. I started working hard. I ran the family business and took care of my kids, but I felt empty inside. One day, I found a letter from James. He wrote it before he passed away. In the letter, he said, "Sarah, you are strong. Don't lose your smile. Live fully for yourself and the kids." His words stayed in my heart. I wanted to live again for my children and for myself. 4 years passed. I avoided men, telling myself I'd never love again, but life had other plans. I joined a hobby group to learn embroidery. There, I met a woman named Grace. She introduced me to her brother, Ryan. Ryan was tall and kind, with bright blue eyes. He was very handsome. When I learned Ryan was 28, I felt unsure. "He's younger than me," I thought. "He won't be interested." But Ryan liked me. "Sarah, you're beautiful," he said. I felt shy but smiled. We started talking more. Ryan was funny and caring. One evening, he asked me out for coffee. We talked for hours. I told him about James and my children. He listened closely. "I know this is hard for you," Ryan said, "but I want to be here for you." I was scared. What will people think? What about my kids? What about James? Ryan was patient and didn't rush me. He spent time with me and my children. Noah and Ella liked him. "Mom, he's fun," Noah said. Ryan made me feel happy again. After a year, Ryan said, "Sarah, I love you. Let's live together." I was nervous. "I can't forget James," I said. Ryan replied, "I'm not asking you to forget him. I just want to be part of your life." I thought about James. He wanted me to be strong and happy. One day I told my children, "Ryan will move in with us." They smiled. "That's great, Mom," Ella said. We moved to a new house, big enough for all of us. Ryan brought love and laughter back into our home. I'll always remember James. He will forever be in my heart. But I've learned that life can be beautiful again. Now, I have hope for the future. Life is about love, family, and moving forward. Thank you for listening to my story. If you enjoyed it, please like and share it with others.